Today we are going to complete the exercises of poem 10th, paper boats, comprehension. Then A. Mark the sentences as true or false. First one, the poet floats his paper boats in a small puddle. It is false. He writes his name and address on the paper boats. It is true. Then third one, he put red roses in the boat. It is false. Then fourth, he thinks that sleep fairies sail in his boats at night. True. Then fifth one. The travelers do not carry anything with them in the paper boats. False. Then B. Read the lines from the poem and answer the questions. First one. I know not what playmate of mine in the sky sends them down the air to race with my boats. Question A. What does the word them refer to here? And answer is it refers to little clouds. Then B. Where, according to the poet, is his playmate? According to the poet, his playmate is in the sky. Then C. Why does the poet's playmate send them down the air? And answer is he sends them down to race with his boats. Then second line from poem. The fairies of sleep are sailing in them and the lading is their baskets full of dreams. Question A. What is meant by the word lading? And answer is it means goods loaded in a boat. Then B. Who does the poet say is sailing in his paper boats? And the answer is the poet says fairies of sleep are sailing in his paper boats. Then question C. What are the travelers carrying with them in the paper boats? And answer is they are carrying baskets full of dreams. Then C. Answer the questions. First question. What does the poet write on his paper boats? Why does he do so? Answer is the poet writes his own name and name of his village on the paper boats. He writes his address and name on board because he hopes that someone in the strange land will find his boat and recognize. Then second, why does the poet put flowers in the paper boats? What is the significance of taking flowers from his own garden? And answer is poet put flowers in the paper boats as he wants them to be carried safely to land in the night. He probably wants to present his unknown friend with the flowers from his own garden. Then third question. What have the clouds been compared to in the poem? And answer is they have been compared to the white sails of the paper boats. Last question. What does the poet do when it is night? And answer is poet buries his face in his arms and dreams that his paper boats float on and on under the midnight stars and the fairies of sleep are sailing in them with basket full of dreams.